They have a
Costa Rica in the rainforest, the end of 2022. Magnificent. Wow. This rainforest is crazy. Every type of plant in the world. And we're going up. That's a tour guide. Very talented, very educated.
friend from New York. Are you from New York? Yes. Yeah, we talked about it. I said friends from New York, and I'm waving on his stamp. Yeah, we talked. You didn't know who I was sitting behind.
Here comes the tram going down. We're going up, so we'll get some people on my YouTube channel, I think. Some people get like really paranoid. Don't you make pictures? I'm like, get a life, relax. I was a hippie back in the day. You live and let live, you know. People so uptight, especially where I come from, in New York, man. You look at someone wrong, you're gonna be dead.
I know, yeah, New York is different.
You probably hear it on the news all the time. People push people in subways. And,
well, Cleveland, gosh, this is bad. People are always killing road rage big time. Like
oh, yeah, I know. It's crazy, right? Don't turn away. Give me a wave. Come on. Come on. Hey. Oh, I remember you. Hey, thank you. Uh-huh.
She never called me ever. I didn't answer it, so.
Oh, man. Some people get uptight. I'm just Mr. Casual.
We have right there. That'd be nice. We have a view of one.
So we're coming up to the end of this tram, which took us deep into the jungle. I mean, and then it ends up at a massive waterfall, so it's just incredibly beautiful. And not like Niagara Falls, but you know, really cool.
Yeah.
And some people had to turn back because they just couldn't handle it. So anyhow, yeah. So this is it, Costa Rica. Tomorrow we'll be somewhere else. I don't know what country yet.
The water.
Water. Sea
Where?
tomorrow.
Just water.
We're at sea, and then Jamaica.
Oh, okay. So we got a day. Okay, cool. Thank you.
For that walk.
This is my lovely.
Oh God, I look lovely. Yes.
This is my lovely
all sweaty.
fellow travelers
After
here.
walking the 350 steps.
Yeah, right. All right, I'm ending this. Thanks for watching.